Hello, this is Chris here, and I want to tell you I absolutely love jQuery. It has absolutely rocked my world for some time now, and I can do stuff utilizing JavaScript and jQuery and do stuff so much faster that I was able to do before. But it was a jungle to for me to get started with the JavaScript and jQuery in SharePoint, and it was a hard learning curve. So I want to kickstart you so you can get started really, really fast. Even if you're a non-developer, you can see that you could do small stuff by just picking up scripts you find around on that thing called the internet, and you can get stuff done really, really fast. So what I want to show you is how you can take these uh, jQuery snippets for SharePoint 2010, which Christian Stoll has provided generously. Thank you for that. And I want to show you how you can easily do that on your own site. So, what I would like you to do first is to make sure that you got Firefox, Firebug installed. So, you can find Firefox if you don't have that. Get that, install it. I prefer jQuery. You can probably do Google Chrome, something else. I don't know. Then you want to do a search for download Firebug. This download Firebug. You see, you can get that. So let's just go for that one. That's the plugin, and you just hit the add to Firefox. Go through the whole start. It's probably going to ask you to restart the browser and yada yada yada, stuff like that. Okay, so let's jump over to a SharePoint site. Now we have Firefox and we have a Firebug, and you want to enable the console. All right. If you don't have jQuery installed, you're probably going to get a message like this. Oh, let me just refresh that. So I don't have jQuery activated here. All right. I shouldn't have jQuery on this site right now. If I try to run this, I will get an error message saying jQuery is not defined. So instead of installing jQuery on your sorry, I got a bit of sore throat there. Instead of installing jQuery on your server, all that, we want to jump over where there are no obstacles. So we want to do another thing. We want to go out and you want to do a search for jQueryfy bookmarklet. And if you get lucky, you will end up in this page here. And on this page, if you scroll down a little bit, you have a link here. So, it says here, to use the bookmarklet, drag the following link to your bookmark favorite list. So, I'm going to click and hold down my mouse here and drag that up to my bookmark bar. I have already done that. And when I press this link here, it's going to fire off some JavaScript that's going to jQueryfy the pages that you're currently on. This works just beautifully when you're on your SharePoint site that doesn't have jQuery activated. So, I see this in action. I'm going to press it. It now says it's just jQueryfied with version 1.8.2. If I rerun my little bit of a code here, jQuery, I now see the jQuery is activated. So now it's time to head over to the snippets. And let's do an easy one here. Let's just do something that is totally basic JavaScript. It doesn't have anything to do with jQuery yet. Let's do this one. Alright, and you just hit the run thing here. Karang, it says this is not the new site. So let's just do bank, as I'm on a sub-site called bank, and it says this. Alright, what does this say? Yeah, it's case sensitive. Big B, and rerun it. Gadang. This is a new site. I would probably say this is my bank site, right? So this is my bank site. Okay, that's basic. That's basic JavaScript. Nothing to do with jQuery. Let's do another one. Let's see what we can do here. Haven't actually run anything of these, but let's do. There's a day thing down here. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. Oops. And let's do this one. Alright. Let's delete that one. And we probably don't need this one down here. So that's going to look for the description. You have to have a look up here, and I'm going to fire this. And what does it say? Month is not defined. Okay, fair enough. I did not copy everything here, so let me do that. I just copied the whole thing here. Let's run the whole thing. Run it. Okay, so it populated the data out here. So that is the fast way that a non-developer, you can go ahead and you can run these snippets here. Great to get you started. Another trick for you, if you want to target another element on this page here, just do this. Okay, see this square thingy here with the cursor? Just press that one and just go around on the page. Let's say that you want to manipulate this field here. So you find this one, click on it, and then we're going to mark that down in the box here. And you can get an ID or a class or anything like that. And when you go back to the console, if it's a class, you need to start with the dot and then the class name. And if you're doing something with an ID, that's the hash sign here. So I'm going to see if I can run that, and I found that object. So now I can do something like text, hi there, wanna search. Let's see what that's going to do. So keep an eye on your search field up here, and let's run that one. See, didn't it do anything? Yeah, I needed to go for the value, so I changed the value up here. Hey there, wanna search. All right, so that is the fast way to get started. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care, my friend.